Hey there, folks. Mike Rowe here, ready to get our hands dirty with home battery systems. Today, we're diving into why these systems are becoming essential for modern homes. These bad boys are like giant power banks for your house. Imagine having a massive battery that can keep your home running smoothly. Ever had a blackout and wished you could keep the lights on? It's a frustrating experience, right? Home batteries are the answer. They store energy when it's available, so you can use it when you need it most. They store energy from solar panels or the grid, so you're always prepared. Whether it's a sunny day or a stormy night, your home stays powered. Now you might be thinking, Mike, are these things really worth it? Well, hold your horses. Let's break it down. Home batteries are getting cheaper and more efficient every day. The technology is advancing rapidly, making them more accessible to everyone. They can save you money on your electric bill, especially if you've got solar panels. By storing excess energy, you can use it later instead of buying from the grid. Plus, they make your home more energy independent and resilient. In times of crisis, you'll be glad you have that extra power. Think of it like this. Remember that time you forgot to charge your phone and it died right when you needed it most? It's a helpless feeling. Home batteries are like having a backup charger for your entire house, so you're never left in the dark. They provide peace of mind, knowing that your essential devices and appliances will keep running. Imagine your family enjoying a well-lit home during a power outage, thanks to your home battery system. It's not just about convenience, it's about safety and comfort. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. By using stored solar energy, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable future. So, folks, investing in a home battery system is not just a smart move for your wallet, but also for the planet. It's a win-win situation. Stay tuned as we explore more about the installation process and how you can get started with your own home battery system. Until next time, keep those lights on and stay powered up. Let's start with the rock star of home batteries, the Tesla Powerwall. You know Elon Musk, the guy who wants to send us to Mars? Yeah, this is his baby. The Powerwall is sleek, stylish, and packed with features. It's like the iPhone of home batteries. Everyone's talking about it. Now, the Powerwall ain't just about looks. It's got a solid reputation for performance and reliability. It can power your entire home during an outage, and it integrates seamlessly with Tesla's solar panels and electric vehicles, but here's the catch. The Powerwall comes with a premium price tag. You're paying for the brand name and the fancy features. So, is it worth the hype? Let's dig deeper and compare it to the competition. All right. Let's pop the hood and see what this Powerwall can really do. The latest version packs a punch with 13.5 kilowatt hours of storage capacity. That's enough juice to keep your lights on, your fridge running, and maybe even power a few appliances during an outage. The Powerwall also boasts a continuous power output of 7 kilowatts, which means it can handle most of your home's energy needs without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's got a sleek, wall-mounted design that'll make your neighbors jealous. But here's the thing. The Powerwall's software is where it really shines. It's got smart features like time-of-use optimization, which means it can charge up when electricity is cheap and discharge when it's expensive, saving you money on your energy bills. Now let's talk about a worthy contender in the home battery arena, the LG Chem Resu. LG's been in the battery game for a long time, and their Resu line is known for its reliability and performance. The Resu comes in a range of sizes from 3.3 kilowatt hours to 10 kilowatt hours, so you can choose the right fit for your home's energy needs. It's also got a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to install in various locations. One of the Resu's biggest strengths is its efficiency. It boasts a round-trip efficiency of over 95%, which means you're getting back almost all the energy you put into it. That's like getting free electricity, folks. Section 5, Sonneneco, the German efficiency expert. Next up, we've got the Sonneneco, a home battery system straight out of Germany. This isn't just any battery system, it's a marvel of modern engineering. The Germans are known for their engineering prowess, and the Sonneneco is no exception. With meticulous attention to detail, every component is designed to perform at its peak. It's built to last, with a 10-year warranty and a modular design that allows you to easily expand your storage capacity. Whether your energy needs grow or change, the Sonneneco can adapt seamlessly. The Sonneneco is also one of the most efficient home battery systems on the market. with a round-trip efficiency of over 98%. This means it maximizes the energy you store and use, making it incredibly reliable. That means you're losing very little energy during the charging and discharging process. In practical terms, this efficiency translates to more savings and better performance over the long run. But here's the deal. The Sonnen Eco is a premium product with a premium price tag. It's crafted with high-quality materials and advanced technology, ensuring top-notch performance. It's not the cheapest option out there, but if you're looking for the best of the best, the Sonnen Eco is worth considering. Investing in this system means investing in reliability, efficiency, and the peace of mind that comes with German engineering excellence. Section 6. N-phase in charge. The modular approach. Now, let's talk about a home battery system that's all about flexibility. The N-phase in charge. The in-charge is a modular system, which means you can start with a small capacity and easily add more batteries as your needs grow. Each in-charge module has a capacity of 3.3 kilowatt hours, and you can connect up to 10 modules for a total capacity of 33 kilowatt hours. That's enough to power even the most energy-hungry homes. The in-charge also integrates seamlessly with Enphase's microinverter-based solar systems, making it a great option for homeowners looking for a complete home energy solution. Section 7. Price tag check. What's it going to cost you? All right, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. Home battery systems are a significant investment, so you need to know what you're getting into. The Tesla Powerwall will set you back around $10,000 for a single unit, while the LG Chem Risu ranges from $4,000 to $8,000 depending on the size. The Sonnen Eco starts at around $10,000, and the N-phase in charge modules cost around $3,500 each. Now, these are just ballpark figures. The actual cost of your home battery system will depend on factors like installation costs, incentives, and your location. It's always best to get multiple quotes from qualified installers before making a decision. Section 8. Warranty Wars. Who's got your back? When you're investing in a home battery system, you want to make sure it's protected. That's where warranties come in. Most home battery manufacturers offer a 10-year warranty on their products, but there are some variations in coverage. Tesla offers a 10-year warranty on the Powerwall that covers defects in materials and workmanship. LG Chem also offers a 10-year warranty on the Risu, while Sonnen offers a 10-year warranty on the Eco that covers both product and performance. Enphase offers a 10-year warranty on the in-charge that covers defects in materials and workmanship. It's important to read the fine print of any warranty before you buy a home battery system. Pay attention to what's covered, what's not covered, and the claims process. Section 9. Green power play, saving money, saving the planet. Now let's talk about the environmental benefits of home battery systems. By storing energy from renewable sources like solar panels, home batteries help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. When you use energy stored in your home battery, you're essentially using clean, renewable energy that doesn't produce harmful emissions. Plus, home batteries can help stabilize the grid by reducing peak demand, which can lead to a cleaner energy future for everyone. So, not only can home batteries save you money, but they can also help save the planet. Now that's what I call a win-win. Section 10. So, who wins the battery battle? All right, folks, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've looked at the Tesla Powerwall, the LG Chem Risu, the Sonnen Eco, and the Enphase in charge. So, which home battery system comes out on top? Well, the truth is there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best home battery system for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. If you're looking for a premium product with a sleek design and smart features, the Tesla Powerwall is a solid choice. It offers a high energy capacity and integrates seamlessly with solar panels, making it ideal for those who want to maximize their renewable energy usage. If reliability and efficiency are your top priorities, the LG Chem Risu is a great option. Known for its robust performance and long lifespan, it's perfect for households that need a dependable energy storage solution. If you want the best of the best and don't mind paying a premium, the Sonnen Eco is worth considering. It not only offers top-notch performance, but also comes with advanced energy management features, making it a favorite among tech enthusiasts. And if you're looking for a flexible and scalable system, the Enphase in charge is a good choice. Its modular design allows you to start small and expand as your energy needs grow, providing a versatile solution for various household sizes and energy demands. Ultimately, the right choice will depend on what you value most in a home battery system. Whether it's design, reliability, premium features, or scalability, there's a solution out there for everyone. Take the time to assess your needs, do your research, and choose the system that best fits your lifestyle and energy goals. Happy energy saving. Section 11. Mike's final verdict: the right battery for you. At the end of the day, choosing the right home battery system is like choosing the right tool for the job. You need to consider your specific needs, budget, and energy goals. My advice? Do your research, get multiple quotes from qualified installers, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Home battery systems are a big investment, but they can also be a smart one that pays off for years to come. And remember, folks, no matter which home battery system you choose, you're taking a step towards a cleaner, more resilient energy future. Now get out there and power up your home.